First video, June 4th, 2024. This is a 1962 Evans, modified by Bob Lapke. It's a lightweight special. Bob built it as far as the rotary engine and the mounting and the carburation. It's got special ignition. It's got an automotive coil, small battery. It's very interesting for hot spark. And Bob tested and tuned this kart himself. So this is a very important, one-of-a-kind, early 60s collector kart. Should be in a collection or a museum also. Very interesting chassis mods. Slide-on tubing and collars where they used to break and crack behind the driver. It's chromoly. It's very lightweight. Original seat, original wheels, Go Power. Original fairing, the Nassau fairing. Still got the International Karting Federation decal. Very interesting kart.